Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install KNOG ModeMaker app which allows you to customize your lighter by KNOG on this MacBook, but it also works the same way on Windows platform. You just pick different installation package. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Chrome right here and start writing the link. It's knog.com. You can see it right here. Click enter, and that way you'll enter the website. You can go for the ModeMaker now. From here, scroll to the bottom of the page and select download ModeMaker app. Select the platform you're using, so I'm on Mac. If you're on Windows, you need to pick Windows. So I'm going with Mac. Here the download will begin. After installation is finished, we can open the package. If you encounter this problem, you'll need to navigate to the downloads folder where the package was downloaded. Show in folder, and we can see it right here. Now click on the More Actions button. Then Action, go for the Open With, and then select Installer. Here you'll see the Open button, click on it, move to the next step, then Install. If you have this password protection, it will ask you for it, so here I am. I will need to enter the password. So the installation was successful. We can move the package to the bin. Now let's close our Chrome and this as well. Here we only need to locate we'll need to locate the app that we just installed. It's right here, KNOG ModeMaker. We can open it. Here you'll need to log in if you already have an account. If not, click register. After login, you'll be able to connect your flashlight or any device you want to use and customize with it. And that way you'll be able to just freely manage it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.